All right, thanks. This is video you'll see only here on 7 tonight. Former Buffalo police officer Robert Eloff walking into federal court downtown this morning. And then just moments later, a judge sentenced Eloff to 3 months in prison and 3 months of home confinement, along with a 1-year probation term. 7 Eyewitness News anchor reporter Ed Branch has been following this story from the very beginning.
Apologetic and ashamed, former Buffalo police officer Robert Eloff will soon become an inmate at a federal prison. He walked out of court with his head down.
Rob, anything you want to say?
Having said all he wanted to a federal judge. No excuses. I committed a crime, Eloff said, about arresting Donald Hall under false pretenses at Molly's Pub in May 2014. Hall's attorney, Rafael Gomez.
I think there was a plan to get Mr. Hall out of there because of who he was and what he saw that day.
Hall was with Bill Sager the night he was pushed down the stairs inside the bar by the bar's manager. Hall was trying to tend to his badly hurt best friend, but was instead arrested, accused of trespassing. I apologize for my actions. I apologize to Mr. Hall, Eloff said. Prosecutor Joe Guerra said this false arrest was the most provable part of the case against Eloff.
He had arrested Donald Hall for no reason and basically upon a fabrication of events.
That fabrication didn't sit well with the judge, saying Eloff's initial statements to police were not true, calling this a very unfortunate violation of public trust. There is no question there was an overreaction here, the judge told Eloff, before sentencing him to 3 months in prison, followed by 3 months home confinement with a year probation. Hall's attorney says this sends a message to other officers.
You have an expectation that the police are going to do what's right. And what happened to Mr. Hall, although it was limited, he was only in jail for 1 day and got out, it at least says that it's not right. And whether it's for 1 minute or weeks, as some people experience, at least there's going to be justice for the people who are put in those positions.
Eloff won't have to surrender until after the first of the year, which means he'll spend the holidays with his family. As for the victim in this case, Donald Hall, he has a civil lawsuit pending against the city of Buffalo and Eloff himself, which could take years before it comes to a conclusion. In downtown Buffalo tonight, Ed Branch, 7 Eyewitness News.